Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can make a presentation on the Canva. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to create our account on the Canva, and after that, we have to go to the home page. So as you can see, currently I am on the home page, and you will be able to see these all options here. You will get an option which is called presentation. So as you can see now, simply we have to click on this presentation option, and we will get a lot of templates here. As you can see now, we are on the whiteboard. Now we have to choose that which type of presentation we want to present. For example, I'm going to choose this one. You can also choose any of them. Let's click on this one here, and this will be edited. So I'm going to click on this apply all pages. So as you can see now, we have created these all pages here. Now if you want to edit them, you can also do that. As you can see, this is the first page and this is the second page. If you want to edit a text, you can also do that. If you want to change the image, you can also do that. Simply you have to go to the upload section, and then you have to choose the image, that which image you want to replace. For example, I want to replace this image with this, and as you can see now, the image is replaced. If you want to edit the text, you can also do that. As you can see, these every options are provided here. If you want to change the icon, if you want to change the text, you can control each and every option here. Even you can change the colors as well. And after doing these all changes, simply you have to click on the share, and after that we have to click on the download. And after that, as you can see, you will get a lot of formats here like the pptx. You can also download this into PowerPoint mode, and all these options are provided here. You have to choose the suitable one, and after that you have to click on the download, and the ppt will be ready to use. So in this way you can design your presentation on the Canva. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.